For the repair of the panel PC by Newtek Electronics, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use two 20-volt AC power supply and a power supply with output 24-volt DC. By turning on the power supply, the unit responds accordingly and the screen lights up. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the panel PC by Newtek Electronics is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.